Assalamu alaikum everyone. Do I need this? So everyone of you can hear me? This is Abdul Wahab. I serve as a senior software developer at Stanford, and my topic is real-time IoT data analytics using Storm. So what do you guys see? Real-time IoT analytics and Storm. Let's build it up. What do you guys see? What's real-time time? Come on, your ideas finally is correct. That's enough. I'm expecting a lot. So IoT. Data. Information produced by real time. On the fly, processing on the fly. So that's what my topic is about. We are going to learn about that. How can we process the data real time? The data that is produced by sensors, IoT devices, and all kind of telemetry data. Let's move ahead. So what we are going to discuss first, what's the need of real-time analysis, how it is produced, what are the factors, and different use cases of IoT, what is the future of IoT, what is the different use cases where the examples we are exclusively using IoT devices, introducing Storm. And that's the question. Storm, what do you guys see? And then we will study some of the concepts of Storm and some of the use cases. So let's begin. Let's recap something about big data. How many of you guys have studied database, data warehousing? Data warehousing? Any idea about data warehouse? Why we build a data warehouse? Why? Use it for decision making. That's what we need. We need the analytics, we need the conclusion. And what we need to do? What's the requirement? We need to build a warehouse. We need to put information so that we can get something up from there. So for the big data, we have 5 things. There are different kind of attributes that contribute to big data. The main thing I want to discuss is the velocity. The speed at which data travels to you. For instance, the speed could be like there are different sources of data. For instance, there is a data in a finance house, or there is a data in stock exchange. What could be the variation in the velocity? At the stock exchange, that would be producing millions of thousands of records per second, huge velocity. Or at any other thing like a mobile phone where you are checking emails, so that's very less, 5 to 6 frequency would be, or maybe 100. So that's the different velocity that we are going to discuss. So on the basis of velocity, we are going to build our topic, data which is in motion, a huge amount of data that is traveling. Internet of Things. So I am just trying to speed it up, consider of time. So Internet of Things, tell me about it. How much do you know about it? What is Internet of Things? Cloud. And what we are going to do with cloud? So big data. Are we storing big data or are we creating big data? We are creating big data. So IoT are the intelligent devices that is capable to form a network that can communicate with each other and that can push the data over the network that has its own IP. So there are some specific things we need to remember about IoT. That is the future, by the way. IoT devices that can form a network, communicate with each other, take decisions, and upload the computers over the cloud. So when we are receiving data is coming from a lot of things. Logs of the program, sensor data, software, Internet of Things. And these all are producing huge amount of data, millions of records, or you can say trillions of records per second. These are some of the IoT devices, smart door locks and smart Bluetooth trackers. So that is what we are moving towards. That's the future. Now, some of the IoT facts. We have a speculation of that IoT revenues are going to be 6.2 trillion by 2025, and more and more objects, more and more household objects are contributing to IoT. We are trying to say, how many of you know about Google House and Amazon Alexa? Alexa. Exactly. That Alexa is IoT device that connects with other IoT devices in your house and that can actually interact, form a network. You can give the instruction, they can intelligently see that what's the temperature, shall I turn off the AC, what's the position of light. I cannot see any movement around myself, so I can just turn off all the lights, all the electricity. So that is what we are going towards, that's the future, that's the $1 trillion market. And that's what we are heading towards as well. So now we have the IoT, we have the infrastructure, we have the invention. Where comes the problem? Data invention. Are we ready to store the data? Do we have that infrastructure to store huge amount of data? IoTs are basically built on sensors, different sensors. Sensors produce millions of records. A lot, they keep producing records, and you can say the more the frequency of records, the more the accuracy of the sensor. If a sensor is producing 1 record per minute, so what do you think? Is it a good sensor? Just like the AC sensor, it's continuously recording the temperature of the room, so it can decide, shall I turn it off, shall I turn off the compressor. That's what we are moving towards. More the data, more the frequency, more the accuracy. And that's a huge amount of data. We have to store it. Now the problem comes if we are using an IoT device and we have to get the analytics. Analytics is what that we need. And what's the prerequisite? Data. And now data storage is not that easy. Data comes unstructured. Especially when you are dealing with different IoT devices. Different structure, that's a huge problem. If we have some of the solutions, MongoDB and other solutions, but that takes a lot of money, costs a lot of money. You need to build an architecture, you need to hire someone to tune it, to maintain it, and to scale it. Scale means scale to grow it, because that exponentially grows. That's the problem. So how can we omit that part? That's what we are going to discuss today. Now, before going forward, I would like to discuss something with you. Let's start about speaking device. We know by our speaking device, and when that such a speeding ticket, so they say that usually mounted on the traffic signal, not in Pakistan, in other developed countries, you can just go above 60 and then going to charge it. Now I am a Pakistani, I am a smart guy, and if I just know that that's a speeding device, I just slow my car down to 40. I process it, no point, I move it up to 100. So that's the problem. Now we have a device here, that's the road, that's the device, and that's another device. And I can just easily pass it on. That's the problem. How can we solve it? प्रॉब्लम है कि नहीं वो 40 से जाऊँगा गाड़ी यूज किया 100 पे ले गया कितना कम्युनिकेट करें क्या करें कम्युनिकेशन इज लाइक लेकिन आई एक नेटवर्क क्रिएट कर देना है यू वाज देयर 40 यार किस तरह से डिस्टेंस तो 5 मिनट होना चाहिए simple distance time velocity is divided and you find the distance. So that's something question. That's a question mark. Now we can find that guy. We cannot cross this. We will for human. So that's the question. So that's what we are going to write. Analytics real time. So if you want this system, so here is a system that can analyze all these things real time. We cannot rely that we are going to put that data into a data warehouse and that we can later on when the data warehouse is full and we have time to take the analytics and creating reports, etc. That takes too long. And the thing is that there are few people, for instance, if I say I have 1,000 people passing towards this road and one of them, only one of them, is there for filming. So what about a 999 record? Is it useful for me? Useful है? क्या बोलूँ हम लोग? आगे के लिए यूज करूँगा. That device is not built for convenience. That is built for speeding. Remember the purpose. So what will I do with that? Just data. How will I know that is useless? Until I process it. When will I process it? I will use a data warehouse of something that is not useful. But I pre-process it and store only the useful data. Store the analytics, dedicate the rest of it. That's what we are going to work. That is the architecture. We take data, code it, and we fully for reporting. Now we need to store it, all the user data. That is not of our concern. What if we change it to this? Get the data, we real time process it. We real time do it and store only the data that is useful and useful in the rest. Right? That's another diagram that will give you a more clear view. Just remember about the treater. Take example of a treater. अब treater के ऊपर we can do the real time processing of all the fluids are coming. Now I have given some time to treater and I need a specific fluid. I am from any law and order guy who is concerned about the situation of the city. If there is someone with that air mark, I need that fluid. So what if anyone who is processing the fluid asks to this real time system, I cannot. Rather than all the fluids, I just purely take out the analysis and etc. So what's more effective? Now you know the problem, you know the solution. Let's see how to build it. Storm is what we are going to bring towards the data to get the real-time analytics. Storm is a software. This is architectural software offered by Apache. How many of you guys know about Apache? सबको पता होगा. It's a big hub of open source software, open source solution for us to build scalable solutions. There's different kind of products they already have offered. So Storm is one of the open source solutions they have offered us. So Storm, I will give you a very brief overview. This is a solution. This is a technology that helps us build it. Now, in Storm, we usually have a network. We have data coming in. Anyone just see this? You cannot see that. We have the data coming in. We have the data processed on different nodes. Okay. And then we have the analysis phase into the data. So that's what Storm is built on. You make different nodes, you make a network depending upon the data, you make different nodes that will accept the data, you will make other nodes that will process the data and data will be finally saved to database. डिपेंड अपॉन द बिजनेस डिपार्टमेंट टू बिजनेस डिपार्टमेंट डिपेंड करता है. आपका सिनेरियो काफी एग्जांपल स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, मतलब किसका भी दे सकते हैं, गाड़ी मतलब कोई एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं, लेकिन वी कैन स्टोर बोथ ऑफ देम. वी स्टोर एनालिटिक्स सो दैट वी कैन ड्रिल इट डाउन. अगर वो बात बताइए कि हाँ आई वाज फाइन फॉर eating, so what is the proof? So we can show that this is the analytics which we are just storing the analytics data, means the data that is, we are not storing data, actually we are storing information, the most useful data. So we can actually drill it down, we can find that these are latitude, longitude, you are there at this time, this was your speaking, taking etc. and that's what you are fine. So the rest of the people, they are not concerned because they are not charging them anything, so no need for drilling it down. This is another example, like this is actually a diagram to give you an idea that how storms work, the software works. These are terms of cards that has the device, IoT device installed on them, and they take the measure of speed, fuel, and you can say back, etc. So on the real time, it is going to keep processing the data, and that will actually tell you that yes, the blade oil is down, and before it gets all down,